Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an iPhone trick. So I'm gonna show you an easy way to send screenshot on your phone. So after you screenshot a photo, you usually go to photos and then send it, and then you press there and then you send it. So that is the long way. An easy way to do it is, so for example, you take a screenshot and then you tap on the screenshot there, and then this will directly show up, so you can easily just send it to anyone. So you can airdrop messages or anything, or you can also send it to the people, to your recent messages. Just tap on the name and then it will directly send. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.